In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize images in Affinity. Whether you're preparing a graphic for the web or adjusting artwork for print, this quick workflow will help you change dimensions with confidence while keeping your composition under control. Make sure your image or document is open in Affinity and follow along. First, click Document in the menu bar at the top of the screen. This is where Affinity groups all page and document level controls. If you don't see the menu bar, make sure the app is active and your document window is selected. Next, hover over Setup. Don't click yet. Just pause your cursor so the submenu expands. The Setup section is designed for foundational options that affect how your document is structured. Taking a moment here helps you land on the exact resizing command you need without hunting through unrelated tools. Now, hover over Resize. You'll see related resizing choices grouped together. At this stage, it's helpful to remember the difference in Affinity between resizing the canvas and changing overall document dimensions. Resizing the canvas alters the working area around your content, while other resize options can change the size of the entire document and potentially resample pixels. We're focusing on the canvas path in this guide. Click Canvas. This was the canvas resizing dialog. Think of the canvas as the page your image sits on. It can grow to add space around your content or shrink to crop edges. The dialog usually includes fields for width and height, unit controls, and an anchor or reference grid that determines which edges move. Then enter the size you want. Choose units that match your goal. Pixels for screens, or inches, millimeters, or centimeters for print. If you see a lock icon for aspect ratio, decide whether to keep proportions linked. For canvas size, you'll often unlock it so width and height can change independently. Use the anchor to tell Affinity where to keep your content fixed. For example, anchor to the center to expand evenly on all sides, or anchor to the left to add space on the right. If available, confirm the DPI matches your output needs. 72 to 144 for most screens, 300 for high quality print. Avoid extreme upscaling if you're preserving image quality. Finally, click Resize. Affinity applies the new canvas dimensions immediately. Take a quick look around the edges to confirm nothing important was cropped and that any added space appears where you expected. If the result isn't what you had in mind, use undo and try different dimensions or a different anchor until it's perfect. That's it. Your image is now resized using the canvas method in Affinity.